Let's make a cute fish out of paper plates. You'll need some paper plates, some googly eyes, a pair of scissors, some glue, and any paper materials that you have at home. First, place a paper plate and cut a triangle shape out of it. This triangular piece will be the tail, and the space remaining after cutting out the tail becomes the mouth. Then glue the tail on. If you want, you can use another paper plate to add more triangular fins. Now place the paper material for the fish scales and start gluing them on the paper plate. It can be some color paper, tissue paper, or paper cupcake cups. I use colorful handmade tissue paper. Once you are done with scales, glue on a googly eye. You can also cut an eye out of the colored paper and glue it onto the plate. Great! This activity was so easy and fun. Do you want to try it with me? It would be fun. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye! Bye, 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 bye.